According to the revelation given to Joseph Smith, the unanimous voice of the presiding quorums of the church is required in order to make their decisions of the same power or validity one with the other. Thus, statements given by individual church leaders may not necessarily constitute doctrine. With divine inspiration, the First Presidency and the Quorum of the 12 Apostles counsel together to establish doctrine that is consistently proclaimed in official church publications. This doctrine resides in the 4 standard works of Scripture, official declarations and proclamations, and the articles of faith. The goal, however, is not merely to agree, but to receive revelation from God. It's a process involving both reason and faith for obtaining the mind and will of the Lord. Striving for unanimity is what forces each individual member of the presiding quorums to set aside their personal feelings and desires and seek out the Lord's will. They seek unity not only among themselves, but with God. This administrative process, which is followed scrupulously in the Lord's church, ensures that established doctrines and policies do not simply reflect the opinions or agendas of specific individuals. Rather, as President M. Russell Ballard testified, when the First Presidency and the Quorum of the 12 speak with a united voice, it is the voice of the Lord for that time. And now you know why.